Okay.
So what's the best relationship advice you've gotten? They're waiting to troll me on this
relationship
question.
advice.
Yeah, they're waiting. They were waiting for me to ask this question.
No, not at all. Best relationship advice?
Best relation. I know you said ki listen to your wife, but what else?
So how many of you are in a relationship? Not married but in a relationship. Youngsters कोई हैं? So basically girlfriend को सिर्फ हाँ ही बोलना है. ये उधर से start होता है because it's like early studies. तो वहाँ से जब आप फाइनली मैरिड हो ना, आपको हाँ हर चीज़ में बोलना पड़ता है. तो पहले से आदत डाल दोगे तो बाद में मुश्किलें नहीं आएंगी लाइफ में. सो इफ़ यू थिंक, मेरा एक और फेवरेट लाइन है, मेरी वाली अलग है. इस बात पे सारे हंसते हैं, बट आई थिंक द ब्यूटी इज once you get married or if you're in a relationship for a long time, you start understanding each other. A lot of times you know what's going to happen. So in my case, in my house, I know when something is going to fall because Sakshi is moving around which table. And it happens. And that's where the relationship goes, So we have been married for now 14 years, 2.5 years of dating. And you know the ins and outs. The wife will know how to irritate the husband. The husband will know what question is coming. Another one of the good advice is somebody asked me, okay, in a relationship, when the lady asks a question, what should you reply? So it starts with you have to be honest, you have to say the truth and everything. Once you get married and after 5, 10, 15 years, you answer so that the next question doesn't come. Right and wrong is not important. Next question shouldn't come. Otherwise it keeps on coming. And another thing is when you ask one of your friends, they'll be like, my wife also asks the same question. So basically the faces are different, the questions are the same. And whatever I have said, it is actually 100% applicable on the man also. We also commit the same mistakes. We are also irritating. We love to pull the leg, but at the same time we are not very good when it comes to accepting the jokes on us. So I think that's why, it's a perfect combination. And the essence of marriage is after 50, 55, you have kids, the kids go to maybe a college or a hostel. And that's the time you are just with your wife and you're having whatever that companionship and you talk about the times that have gone by. So the essence will come later, but you have to survive the marriage till then, to enjoy marriage.